Hey everybody, welcome back to the Glam Reshop. This is your girl Sophia, and as promised, I am back with some fallish DIY upcycles. Today I'm going to show you two ways how you can upcycle an existing pumpkin or create your own. Let's get right to it. Hey, you watching this video, don't miss any more of my DIYs or upcycles. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you're always there for all the corny moments and corny jokes that I make, because I make a lot of them. Hit the bell so you never miss another moment. All right, back to the show. Okay, so for upcycle number one, I've got my pumpkin. I don't know what the K stands for, but I grabbed this one from the Goodwill because it's a really good size pumpkin and it was on sale for $1.99, so I felt like it's a good weight, so if you wanted to, you could use it outside and don't have to worry about it blowing away. For the first upcycle, we're going to take this pumpkin and I'm going to show you how to recover it and decorate it so that it matches your current glamorous style and not, I mean, this isn't bad, but this ain't us. So, to recover this first pumpkin, I am going to use my favorite material, some jeans. I'm going to use this mesh black ribbon. I've got some fall leaves that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I think pretty much all of them will have them in stock right now. I've got my scissors, and that's all I'm going to use for this project. Okay everybody, here is my pumpkin. Just jeans and some glitter mesh. I think it's super glamorous, super fabulous. Like, there's a lot of different decorations that you could put on it. I went for something, like I said, that was quick and simple and still gives a really, to me, very pretty effect. So how it looks on the bottom, but that'll be sitting there and you got your little jean and glitter pumpkin. All right, on to the second one. Okay, so my next one, I'm going to make out of these paper bags that I got from some stuff I bought. So it's a cool way to just upcycle. Honestly, you could do it with newspapers or like the circulars and stuff like that too. But like I said, I had these sitting around, so I'll get these.
I'm finished. I got my little pumpkin I made out of the sweater and the paper bag. That's all there is to it. You don't have to have a lot to get your fall decor in order, but these little projects will get you started. And like I said, there's so many options like coverings that you can use. Just look around for stuff in your house and I'm sure you'll find whatever colors, whatever inspires you to recover either some thrifted ones or, you know, make your own. All right, guys, so that's all I got for you today. Thanks so much for coming back and looking at my videos. Hope to see you next time.